Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to promote Bluehost affiliate program, then make over $5,000 in the process. Now, as a matter of fact, I'm actually going to log into my Bluehost affiliate dashboard, then show you the exact figures I've been able to make with this platform. Now, if you ask me, based on my experience, the best online business that is going to generate you passive income for a very long time is still affiliate marketing. Now, as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you the tips and tricks I've been able to use to promote this affiliate program, then make over 5,000 in the process. But before that, if this is your first time to the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate over $5,000 by promoting Bluehost as an affiliate. No, as a matter of fact, it's over $6,000. Alright, so I've been able to generate over $6,000 by promoting Bluehost as an affiliate. So not only am I going to show you how I've been able to generate this $6,000, I'm also going to log into my affiliate account, then show you my dashboard just so you see the exact income I've been able to generate by promoting Bluehost as an affiliate. So I don't just talk about it, I actually do what I preach. Alright, so if you want to go far with affiliate marketing, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to be dishing out more videos like this on how you can promote affiliate offer using free organic traffic. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to log into my affiliate dashboard, alright, and show you how much I've been able to make by promoting Bluehost. But before that, I also have a free guide on how to promote affiliate offers like this and make passive income in return. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. Alright, so if you're interested, just go to the description of the video, click the free guide and get started for yourself. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log into my Bluehost affiliate dashboard and show you how much I've been able to make by promoting Bluehost. Alright, so I've logged in. So currently I have $80 here, so I'm going to change the date here so you see the overall income I've been able to make. Alright, so as you can see, I think I have $6,240 here. So this is over $6,000 generated from promoting Bluehost affiliate program. So how was I able to successfully promote Bluehost and make over $6,000 in the process? Now this is actually simple because all I was doing was creating value for people that needed help. Now at first this could be time consuming, but the good thing is once you've set this up, it's going to keep generating you income for a very long time. All right, so but before we move forward, now let me quickly clarify some things when it comes to affiliate marketing. You see, if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, there is one important thing that you need, and what you need is actually traffic. So before you can be successful with affiliate marketing, you need traffic, and you need a lot of traffic. All right, so when it comes to traffic, you can actually get traffic of two types. Okay, so the first type is what I called the cold traffic, and the second type is what I called the warm traffic. And to get either of these, you can actually pay to get one or get the other one for free. So most time when you are paying to get traffic, most of the traffic you're going to be getting are usually cold traffic. And when you get this cold traffic, you still need to convert them to warm traffic before this traffic buys your affiliate product. But the other type of traffic, which is warm traffic, is usually free. And this is what I've been using that allowed me to be able to generate over $6,000 with Bluehost. Alright, so we have two types of traffic, the paid traffic and the free traffic. So what I'm using is the free traffic. So like I said earlier, I have a free training on how to get this. I'm going to add a link to it at the description of the video. Alright, so how was I able to promote Bluehost? Now the first thing I did was understand the affiliate product. Now what is Bluehost? Bluehost is an hosting platform that helps people that wants to create a website. So once you understand the product, you'll be able to know how to promote the product. So once we understand that Bluehost is an hosting platform, so who are the kind of people that will need Bluehost? So the kind of people that will need Bluehost are people that want to create a website. So let's say you want to create a website now, or you want to start a blog. The first thing you want to do now is go to Google, then search for how to create a website. All right, so as you can see now, so these are the search results. So people that wants to create a website will go over to Google, then search for how to create a website. So as you can see here now, this is a blog that created a content on how to create a website, and this is exactly what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is I'm leveraging on people that want the product already. So anybody that wants to create a website actually wants the product, but they don't know how to use it. So what I'm doing is I'm showing them how they can actually do it. Okay. So if you want to create a website, if you want to create an e-commerce website, if you want to create a business website, you actually need an hosting platform. And the hosting platform that I recommend for them in my content is Bluehost. So what I do on my blog is that I will create a content on how to create a website, then I will recommend Bluehost as the hosting platform. All right. So another way to create or to get more ideas on content you can actually create around Bluehost to serve your audience better is to go to a website that is called Answer the Public. All right. So just go to Google, then click on then search for Answer the Public. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to enter the keyword of the affiliate product you want to promote. So in my own case, it's Bluehost. So I'm going to search for Bluehost. All right, so it's going to bring out keywords. And what are keywords? Now, keywords are what people are already searching for on the internet. So what I will do is I will use this keyword to craft a content around Bluehost, then publish it on my blog. So the important keywords that you want to focus on are the auto keywords. We have the auto keywords and the wish keyword. All right. So now this is the auto keywords and this is the wish keyword. All right. So this is how I leverage on what people are searching for already, then create a content around them on my blog. So other things you can actually do to make more with your affiliate income is to create content around Bluehost and their competitor. Take for example Bluehost and Hostigator. So you could create a content like Bluehost versus Hostigator on your content. So when they read it, you could add your affiliate link to both of them, but most time you could recommend Bluehost at the end of the post. So when they read it and you recommend Bluehost, most time they are going to go with Bluehost. So when they go with Bluehost, you're going to make your own affiliate commission. All right, so this is basically how I've been able to promote Bluehost and generate over $6,000 in the process. So the first thing you want to do now is to create a website or to create a blog. All right, so if you don't know how to create a blog, I did a video already on how to do that. So I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around here. So what you want to do is you want to click the video, watch the video, and see how you can set up your blog. So once you set up your blog, the next thing you want to do is to craft out keywords around Bluehost. So craft out keywords around Bluehost, then create content for those keywords, then publish them on your blog. All right, so if you want to learn more about this, I have a free training like I said earlier, so I'm going to add it at the description of the video. All right, so just go to the description of the video, click the link and get started for yourself. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.